Hello again, I am back with another drawing tutorial video for Total Drama Style. One of the most requested tutorials in my last video was how to draw hair. Hair design can be difficult, but hopefully this video will help you with all the different ways we can draw hair. In this video, I will be using Procreate on my iPad and also an Apple Pencil, but you could even just use a pencil and a piece of paper for this. So first I like to start with drawing the head shape, and then we're gonna draw the hair. Keep in mind the hairline. It can sometimes go in towards the forehead. Not all Total Drama characters have this, but it adds a bit more detail to a simple short hair design. And you can even avoid a black outline for a 5 o'clock shadow or shaved head. For slightly longer hair and more dimension, you can have just one section of the hair go outside the shape of the head. Usually I like to make the side of the head a little lighter and the longer hair a little bit darker, just to show that it's a little bit shaved. Like so. For ponytails, pigtails, buns, and other tied up hairstyles, you can also keep the hair within the head shape. Then you can get creative with how the hair is held up and the shape. Pretty much any shape works. And sometimes we see the hair tie, sometimes we don't. That's also up to you. You want to keep in mind the hair that's in front of the face, like the bangs or the fringe, and then also what's behind the face. And I usually draw 2 different shapes to act as these. For example, when we look at Bridget, the light section of her hair is in front of her face and the rest is behind. Notice how the darker yellow is behind her ear. Not only is this important when you are drawing digitally and using layers, but to understand how the hair sits. The fringe doesn't always have a line to separate it from the rest of the hair. For example, Dawn. Can you see the shape that's in front of her face and the one behind? You can have all sorts of different shapes and create multiple layers. You don't need to do this though. A lot of Total Drama hairstyles are just one shape, but we like to have fun. Now let's move on to another important part, hair types. And we'll start with the easiest one, which is straight hair. Longer straight hair can be super simple to create. You can just use squares or rectangles to make it Total Drama styled. And you can add little details to make it more interesting. More on that later. Instead of a plain rectangle, you can also add some flair to the shape, like having it go out a bit at the ends. Lindsay is a good example of this as well. And the more wavy lines your shape has, the curlier the hair. One of the ways to show the curliest of hair is with loops, as you've seen for Izzy, Sugar, and more. For thicker or poofier curly hair, you can draw small circular bumps. Next, let's talk about making your hair more detailed and unique. The more lines and colors that you add, the more different and unique your hair will be. This is totally optional. Like I mentioned before, a lot of characters just have one shape as their hair with no extra detail. but I usually like to add more detail to my character's hair just because I like how it looks. Here's how we can add more detail to this hairstyle. We can add some lines like this and play around with it until it looks right. You can also add a couple streaks of a different color. And some characters have different colored lines inside the hair shape, but it's more typical in the newer seasons of Total Drama Island. When doing this, make sure you draw the inside lines in a different layer, unlike what I did here. Let me know if you'd like to see a drawing video that compares the older Total Drama style to the newer style, and if you've seen the popular spin-off Disventure Camp, the drawing style changes in the newer seasons as well. My biggest, most important piece of advice always is to always use reference images. If you aren't sure if your hairstyle looks right, always compare them to other Total Drama characters or even other OCs that other people have made that you really like. I have a file of every single Total Drama character always open in my program on my computer so that I can always reference them and make sure that when I compare my characters that they look still like they belong in Total Drama Island. It's also important to develop your own personal style, and adding something a little bit different to your character's hairstyle can really set them apart and make them unique. Here are some hair designs I've created for my characters that I think still fit the style but make them more unique. If you want some design help, just send me a message on Ko-Fi with photos of your characters, and I'm going to choose a bunch to talk about in my next video. I'm planning on making multiple videos showing off your characters, so make sure you follow me on Ko-Fi and subscribe to me on YouTube for the chance to see your lovely characters in my videos and receive tips on how you can make your character even more awesome than they already are. And leave your questions down below and I'll try to answer as many as I can, and also your recommendations on what tutorial I should do next. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I will see you soon. Bye.